Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to design a unique t-shirt in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. Okay, and then the next thing that you would want to do is to see if you want to create or decide if you want to create your design from scratch or you want to use existing templates. So if you want to design from scratch, just head over to the top right corner where you have a create a design button, click on that, and you'll be able to start your design from scratch. But then if you want to get creative ideas through templates, head over to the search bar, and then in the search bar, what we're going to have to type is t-shirt design. Punch the enter button. Is going to take you to a wide array of templates in this beautiful window. So here you have t-shirt designs that are really beautiful. Okay, so some of the designs are labeled Pro. That's because you cannot access them unless you upgrade your plan. But then you're really still sweet ones that you have here. So I like this, and it's just really simple and nice. So and it's free. So just open that up, click on that, and then click on customize this template. I like to have that design on my t-shirt, but I also love to tweak the design. So I'm going to show you some of the tweaking elements that you can use. All right, so here, so you can change these wordings. All right, I want to change it to all right, so double click and type. All right, so I'm gonna say my saints are okay. As you can see that the font is not fonting. I mean, I have to like decrease the size of that so that it can contain. No, that's too small. So I can take it to 32. Yeah, I think that's fitting. So here we have my things are given lot. That's a lot. So I'm not going to decrease the font size from there. So okay, you see. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm dragging it, I'm manipulating, holding the edges with my one finger on my mouse pad and one finger on my mouse, one finger on the left corner of my mouse. So that's what I'm using, holding all edges to just drag and shift. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm saying my saints are forgiven. I think I like to increase the font of this as well and make it, let's say, I'm making it 35. All right, 35 is better. So my saints are forgiving me. My saints are forgiving me. I don't need this, really. So I'm just gonna click on that and delete all the elements in there. So the stars are fine. So I can just move the stars into something like in between. Let's see. How does this look? It looks pretty amazing, right? So let's see that. Moving the stars using the same process. So my saints are forgiving me. This is a really simple tea. So just imagine this very simple, beautiful on my t-shirt. That's a roller coaster. So I want to change the color of this. Let's see, I want to change this color. I can just click on that and click on this text color. Red came to my mind, and see, red just gives me really beautiful feel. I also want to change this to red to see what's going to look like as well. So it's coming up. it's beautiful. My saints have given me. I like to have it in my tea, and it's just gospel out there, and it's fine. So this is how to design a unique t-shirts, all right, in Canva. So you can head over to click on share and download. All right, so once you click on download, ensure that you download as make it printable. So click on this file type and click on best for print so that they can print it on the t-shirt. So this pretty much is. Can go over tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.